Hi, it's Katie with Rain or Shine Gardening. Welcome back. And today we are on another weekend adventure. This time I am in Woodburn at the Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm, and I am picking up my tulip bulb order. I'm so excited. I actually kind of forgot what I ordered because I ordered it when we came to the Tulip Festival in the springtime. So I will go find out what I got and get it picked up. Since I live pretty close to this area, I always choose the farm pickup option so I don't have to pay for shipping mostly. But also, the other reason I like to pick up is because if you come in store only, they offer a really great discount on some of their passes for spring and their summer flowers also. So I took advantage of that and I bought a dual season carload pass last spring when I picked up bulbs down here too for my order. And it was very discounted. So all I have to do is show my pass when I come, and I can come as many times as I want in the springtime for the Tulip Festival, and then in the summertime for the summer flowers also. So I think I'm going to pick up another one of those this time since I am here on site. Again, that's not something that you can buy online, but if you are local, you can swing by, and they're giving a good deal on that. And they do have a little garden on site. I've never seen this. It says Wooden Shoe Gardens. It's not the tulips, it's not summer flowers. Those are done. They're all dirt fields at this point. They're probably going to be planting their spring bulbs here pretty soon, coming up this fall. But we might wander through the gardens. And then they're also having a sale in their gift shop. So we're going to go take a look and see what they have in there also. So let's go see what they have and get the bulb order picked up. Okay, so I got my bulbs picked up. Apparently, I ordered a variety called Light and Dreamy, which I don't even remember now what they look like, but I'm going to look it up and I will try to put a picture of them on the screen. But I definitely wanted to come down and visit to pick up my bulbs because, like I mentioned, I can get my dual event carload season pass while I'm here because they sell these at a discounted rate during the bulb pickup hours. And the reason I like to buy this one is because it's 50% off. So that's number one. Number two, you don't have to do an online reservation. So otherwise, you have to buy tickets and choose what date. But in the springtime, when you want to come visit a tulip farm, you can't always predict the weather. And we do have a lot of rainy days during the spring. So either you might schedule for a day and it ends up being super rainy and you don't want to come, or you want to come on a day when it's going to be really nice for the weather. And typically those days are sold out. So it doesn't matter for me though, because I bought this pass. And if you get this dual event carload season pass, you can just show it and come in. You don't need the reservation anytime during the spring bulb show, the Tulip Festival, and then during the summer event as well. So had to pick this up. It was only $50. If I come a few times during the Tulip Festival and then a few times during the summer, it ends up not even hardly being much at all to come visit. So definitely worth it for me to pick that up while I was here today. And to get my bulbs. It is soon going to be fall bulb planting season, or spring bulb planting season in the fall. And since we're talking about spring bulbs right now, I thought I would share some video that I took this last spring when I visited Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm. I got some video of the beautiful tulips and the fields that they have here on site. So I will leave you with that today, and rain or shine, I will see you next time.